Today's weekly roundup, we started off the week talking about sleep. We looked at the biology of sleep, the circadian rhythms, the biological clock, the suprachiasmatic nuclei, the different stages of sleep. There were a number of videos that you were supposed to watch for this topic because sometimes somebody else just does it so much better than me. Some of the disorders associated with sleep, dysomnias, parasomnias, seasonal affective disorder being a mood disorder. Looked at obstructive sleep apnea. This is a CPAP. Some people need to just treat the symptoms. In some cases, it can be weight loss can help reduce the symptoms of sleep apnea. Other people need to have the machine to help them breathe. Anyone who is having issues with sleep, I suggest looking up Martin Reed, who goes by insomniacoach.com. Anecdote alert, he really helped me. And you had sleep questions. You had discussion questions on sleep, which are online. The assignment will be due on Tuesday for those of you that want to keep track of your sleep and calculate your sleep debt. That could be really helpful. I look forward to reading with. Then today we looked at nutrition. The dietary guidelines are for practically all healthy individuals. They are guidelines. They aren't specific because we know specific things don't work, and we try to get people to be realistic in their behaviors. Talked about the chemicals that are known as nutrients. We have essential and non-essential nutrients. Essential are the ones that the body can't make, and therefore we have to get them in the diet. Non-essential, the body's able to make. We have 6 essential nutrients. We have the ones that contain calories, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, and the non-caloric nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and water. And for our purposes, energy means calories. Calories means energy. We looked at carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates can be complex and simple as well as refined. Proteins are made up of amino acids that can be essential and non-essential, and our vegetarians, particularly our vegans, can get all the protein they need by complementing proteins, by combining 2 incomplete proteins together in order to get all the essential amino acids in the correct proportion. Oh, and fat. Looked at trans fats, saturated and unsaturated fats, cholesterol, and then we looked at and then I talked to you about vitamins, minerals, and water. Your discussion questions included these, and for those of you that would like to do the assignment, go to this site and you'll hand it in next week. In terms of the To Your Good Health, these are the deadlines that are on Blackboard. What I was looking at was incorrect. So by the 27th at 5 p.m., so before class starts, I would like you to have posted or emailed me 3 to 4 references for your presentation. And I have information on the syllabus in introductions folder to tell you what kinds of references to look out for. The 29th will be the last day to discuss your ideas with me. I love to talk to folks about these. I have lots of suggestions. I have resources you can use. Please look at the rubric. Creativity is really important, and the presentation is on November 5th. All right, folks, have a good weekend. Stay safe.